Well guys, we're taking the kayak out today. First time I brought the GoPros with me this year, so I'm super excited today. Got a good feeling. It's a beautiful, beautiful evening, and yeah, got a couple fire baits here that have been working well for me. This Kayak and crank. This is a discontinued Rapala bait, and this is a little jig from Bass Pro. And yeah, we're gonna cast around and see what we can catch. You guys enjoy. Well guys, kind of surprised this actually happened, but holy smokes, it's a good one. I've got a real nice bass on. I was actually trolling that Kayak and crank. Holy smokes. While I got to the other side of the lake and looked back, I was like, man, my rod looks a little extra bent. Sure enough, got a fish. Holy smokes, it's the first time I've ever been successful doing that. Just literally figured, you know what, paddling across the lake anyway, might as well leave a line out, and paid off. Look at you, buddy. Damn, that's a hawser. Holy smokes. Look at that, guys. That's all of 3 pounds. Got my scale with me. Might as well check for you guys. I'm guessing 3 pounds. That's what's up. Let's start the day, baby. Sweet. Thank you, buddy. Appreciate you. Back he goes. Awesome. Wow. Kayak and crank on the troll. What a trip. That's awesome. Let's see what else we can catch today. Well, I still can't believe that just happened. I'm gonna kind of do the same thing past the same point. Maybe we'll get another one. There we go. Oh, that's a good one. Jesus. Holy smokes. I haven't even seen it yet, but I know it's a good one. Whoa. That's my biggest out of here, I think. Holy smokes. Holy smokes. Look at that hawser. Holy shit. Dude, you've got to be kidding me. This thing's nice. If it's long, this thing is going heavy as hell. Look at that, guys. Just choked the jig. Dude, are you kidding me right now? This thing's huge. I gotta give myself a second here. Oh my god. Dude. That thing's all of 5 pounds. It's gotta be. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy smokes. Get the skill on this boat real quick. I know, Mama. I don't want to get caught today. Jeez Louise. 5 pounds, 5.26. I'll clear it real quick, just to double check. Wow. 518. That's a donkey. Absolute donkey. This thing is so big. Oh my god. That's unbelievable. Unbelievable. Wow. What a losser. Thank you so much, Mama. That was so fun. Let's go. What a beautiful day this is. Thank you guys so much for spending some time with me. My gosh. As soon as I seen how small he was, I kind of loosened up on him. That's why I lost him. So mad. I hate that wind picked up right when it did. Favorite docks to hit right there. Whacked it. I love the way they hit a jig. I don't like it. Oh, I thought it was a smallie, to be honest. Little largy. Oop, right out the net. Just looking at the GoPro screen. Look at that. Choke that jig. Thank you, buddy. See you later. Oh, there's someone else to catch. Well, it was fun while it lasted. Whew, super fun day. Jig got it done. That big mama. This one got it done. That 3-pounder. Take it. Thanks for watching, guys.